people! Today I wanted to just cut up a pineapple. There's some videos going around on YouTube about being able to cut it in this really cool way where people can just start taking pieces off, and I want to see if it works. So here's my pineapple. Yummy. And here's my big knife. I bought this pineapple last Friday. It's Friday. Wait, did I? Yeah, this is a week old, so it's super yellow. It's ripe. So they say it should be ripe for it to work. So let's see if it works. So usually when I have a pineapple, I will cut the top off, or maybe I'll just like shave this nasty stuff off, cut it off, and then I could slice it and then punch out the core or take off pieces or try to core it. Either way, it's always terrible and I hate it. So let's see if this works. Oh, I have really ugly hands, so I should never do a video. So apparently at this part you should be able to just pull it off, but I think I'm gonna hurt myself. It's not happening. It's not natural. It's just, oh, juice. Oh, I gleeped everywhere. It's not really happening. So I guess now I need to like go in here and core it, but I don't feel like I'm gonna do that successfully. So you're done for, buddy. We don't need you anymore. And like, what if I just core a little bit of it? Let's see if the concept works. Okay, I don't know how to, feel like an idiot. I don't know, oops, what I'm doing. Okay, so like, will a piece of it come out now? I just am squirting myself in the eye, so I feel stupid, and I am stupid. Oh look, I got some off. It's not anything like what happens in the video, and it doesn't taste good either. Shut up for a minute. So, I'm too dumb to figure out how to cut a pineapple in the way they showed in the video. All I have is this, and now I don't know how to core it. It's really hard at this point because usually I'd be holding on to this thing to do the rest, so I don't think it works. Cutting fruit is hard. If no one's ever taught you before, you really don't know what you're doing, and pineapples are weird, so, and prickly too. Cutting fruit is hard. Life is hard. Don't let it harden you. Bye.